Welcome to Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. Agriculture's future in question. Union Budget 2024 Review. The Union Budget 2024 has been criticized for its lack of ambition and novel ideas in the agricultural sector. Despite prioritizing productivity and resilience in agriculture, the budget proposals largely repeat previous promises without introducing significant new initiatives. Agricultural highlights in budget. The budget's plan to initiate 1 crore farmers into natural farming mirrors promises from the past 2 years. Proposals like building digital infrastructure for agriculture and developing supply chains for vegetables are not new, having been mentioned in previous budgets. The budget does not address critical issues such as rationalizing urea prices or redirecting subsidies towards investment in agricultural research and infrastructure. The Union Budget 2024-25 introduces several key agricultural initiatives. Namo Drone Didi Scheme empowers rural women by providing drones for rental services to farmers, enhancing farming efficiency through precision agriculture. Support for natural farming encourages 1 crore farmers to adopt natural farming practices with certification and branding support. Samarth-based Kisan Credit streamlines access to 13 government schemes for farmers through a single window online platform. Pulses, oilseeds, and vegetable production aims for self-sufficiency in pulses and oilseeds and efficient supply chains for vegetables. National Cooperation Policy and Rural Economy promotes the cooperative sector to boost the rural economy and employment. Shrimp production and export enhances shrimp production and export with new breeding centers. Thank you. Stay tuned with us, universalinstitutions.com.